Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can link tasks to calendar in Notion. So, first thing that you're going to do here is you just have to log into your Notion account. That's right. So, after that, you just have to create a new project or new page. So, right here. Okay, so after that, we are just going to name this one as calendar. Okay, so after that, just have to type it right here. Okay, so calendar. That's right. And after that, here on the project section, what we are going to do is to tap on the plus icon. Okay, and then I'm just going to use this symbol and then type out calendar view. So we have that right here, our database. And then after that, for our new database, all we have to do is to select that existing task. Okay, so, for example, we want to add this task tracker, document tab, brainstorm session, and you also have here more templates. So, all you have to do is to tap on that one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to customize this template, and then you just have to tap on the get started option. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.